Welcome to MSL video. In this short video we will learn how to read Amharic words or short sentences easily. In order to start reading Amharic, you need to learn the Amharic alphabet, which is called Fidel. The Amharic Fidel consists of 34 basic letters including the letter V. These basic letters each have 6 more modifications or families. So in total, with the modifications, the Fidel has 34 times 7, which is 238 letters. In my personal opinion, if you are a beginner who wants to start learning Amharic, you shouldn't have to know all the 238 letters. Rather, if you know the first column letters or 34 basic letters, you can make thousands of Amharic words. Once if you know these 34 letters, you can learn the rest of the letters easily. እንኳን ወደ MSL ቪዲዮ መጣችሁ። በዚህ አጭር ቪዲዮ አማርኛን በቀላሉ ለመማር ወይም ለማንበብ የሚያስችለንን ነገር አብረን እናያለን። የአማርኛን ቋንቋ ለማንበብም ሆነ ለመጻፍ ከተፈለገ በመጀመሪያ የአማርኛን ፊደል ማወቅ ያስፈልጋል። የአማርኛ ፊደል ቨን ጨምሮ 34 መሰረታዊ ፊደሎችን አካቷል። እነዚህ 34 መሰረታዊ ፊደሎች እያንዳንዳቸው 6 ቤተሰብ አላቸው። ይኸውም በአጠቃላይ 34 ሲባዛ በ7 238 ፊደላቶችን ያካተተ ነው ማለት ነው ፊደላችን። እናም በእኔ አስተሳሰብ ለአማርኛ ፊደላት እንግዳ ከሆኑና ለመማር ፍላጎት ካሉት 238 ፊደላቶችን በአንዴ ማወቅ ላይ ያስፈልገዎት ይችላል። ምክንያቱም በአማርኛ የፊደል የመጀመሪያ ቁልቁለት ረድፍ የተጻፉትን 34 መሰረታዊ ፊደላቶችን ብቻ በማወቅ በሺ የሚቆጠሩ ቃላቶችን በአጭር ጊዜ ማንበብ ይችላሉና ነው። ቀጥሎም እነዚህን 34 መሰረታዊ ቃላቶች ካወቁ 34 መሰረታዊ ፊደላቶችን ካወቁ በኋላ ቀሪውን የመሰረታዊ ፊደሎችን ቤተሰቦች በቀላሉ ሊረዷቸው ይችላሉ። እስቲ ወደ ስክሪኑ ስንሄድ እዚህ ላይ እንደምታዩት in the first column ha, le, downward, ha, and so on, v, p. So what I'm saying is, if you know only the letters in the first column, you can read or write a lot of Amharic words. So in the second column, which is hu, lu, hu, in the third column, which is he, li, he, v, and p, in the fourth column, ha, la, ha, and so on, va, pa. In the fifth column, hey, le, hey, ve, pay. In the sixth column, he, le, he, v, p. In the seventh column, ho, lo, ho, vo, po. So the letters which are in the red sections, you will learn them later once if you know the letters in the first column. This is the Amharic alphabet. As you can see from this number 1 up to 18, from 19 up to 34. So in the first column, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So 34 times 7, it will give us 238 letters. So this is ha, hu, this is the families or the modifications. Hu, he, ha, he, he, ho is the modification. La is the basic letter. Lu, li, la, le, lo is the modification. So for the time being, you don't need to know the modifications. So by knowing only the letters in the yellow section, you can write or read a lot of Amharic words. Ha, le, ha, me, se, re, se, she, ke, be, and so on. Tse, tse, fe, ve, pe. This is just to make it easy for you. Ha, number 1. Ha, ha. Le, le. Hammer, ha, ha. Me, me. Se, se. Re, re. Se, she, ke, be, te, che, ha, ne, nye, a, ke, he, we, a, ze, je, ye, de, je, ge, te, che, pe, tse, tse, fe, ve, pe. So, if you know these 34 letters of Amharic, which are in the first column of the Fidel, you will know a lot of Amharic letters and words. Okay, this is again to make it simple again. I just divide it into sections. So number 1, 2, go downward. I want you to go all the way downward. So from the top, in the first, ha, le, ha, me, se, re, and so on. Tse, fe, ve, pe. This is just for you. Once, if you know all this is just for a practice. Say for example, ha. What is next? Amaro ha. What is next? Se. What is next? Once if you know this, then you can jump to the next one. Here you can see the English version. Ha, le, ha, me. On the last one, without looking at these two, start writing from ha up to ha, le, ha, me, se, re. So, and so on for the rest as well. This is just if you practice with these sections. Finally, you have to start writing from ha up to pe. This one without looking in the English version. Say if you start ha, le, ha, you need to practice to write up to pe. Just like in English we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we have to be able to say ha, le, ha, me, se, re, up to pe. Okay, so our aim is to start reading by just knowing the first columns of the Amharic letter. So the first example is le, me, le, me. This number just to show the location of each letter. Say le is number 2, me is number 4, le again number 2, me is number 4. When you go downward, ha is number 1, le is number 2, amaroha is number 3, me number 4, and so on. So lama lama, la ma la ma, la ma la ተለመለመ. By adding t, we can make another word. ተለመለመ. Then by swapping the position of the letters, say for example in this case መለመለ መለመለ. አረረ. These are all real Amharic words. Say for example the first one, ለመለመ means just be green. ተመረረ means to be bitter about, and so on. But for the time being, you don't need to know even the meaning, because our aim is just to start reading Amharic. አረረ. This is to show you the position again. Number 16, if you go number 16, number 6, r. Again, r, a, r, r. If we add t, ተመረረ. አመረረ. ተመረመረ. መረመረ. Okay, this is a repetition. The first few parts are, we have seen it in the previous page. So ለመለመ, ተለመለመ፣ መለመለ፣ አረረ፣ መረረ፣ ተመረረ፣ አመረረ፣ ተመረረ፣ ተመረመረ፣ መረመረ፣ ሰበረ፣ ከመረ፣ ከመረ፣ ጀመረ፣ ጀመረ፣ ረገጠ፣ ረገጠ፣ ተሰበረ፣ ተሰበረ፣ ተሰረቀ፣ ተሰረቀ፣ ሰረቀ፣ ሰረቀ፣ ሸቀበ፣ ሸቀበ፣ ተሸቀበ፣ ተሸቀበ፣ መረቀ፣ መረቀ፣ ተመረቀ፣ ተመረቀ፣ ቀመመ፣ ቀመመ፣ ተቀመመ፣ ተቀመመ፣ ወጠጠ፣ ወጠጠ፣ ለጠጠ፣ ለጠጠ፣ ተመመ፣ ተመመ፣ በረበረ፣ በረበረ፣ ተበረበረ፣ ተበረበረ፣ በረረ፣ በረረ፣ አበረረ፣ አበረረ፣ በቀለ፣ በቀለ፣ አበቀለ፣ አበቀለ፣ ተበቀለ፣ ተበቀለ፣ ቸረቸረ፣ ቸረቸረ፣ ቸረ፣ ቸረ፣ ሰበሰበ፣ በሰበሰ. All the letters are made up of from the letters of the first column. Similarly, these are all made up of the first column letters. መተረ፣ ተመተረ፣ መሰረተ፣ ተመሰረተ፣ ሸተተ፣ አሸተተ፣ ለሰነ፣ ተለሰነ፣ ቀረ፣ ቀረቀረ፣ ተቀረቀረ፣ ቀለመ፣ ተመነ፣ አመነ፣ በነነ፣ አበነነ፣ መነነ፣ በተነ፣ ተበተነ፣ ተወ ተተወ ረገመ ተረገመ ተለቀ አተለቀ ለቀቀ ቀቀለ ለቀለቀ ሰረሰረ ተሰረሰረ ረሰረሰ አሰረ መጠመጠ ጠመጠመ መጠጠ ተመጠጠ። In this screen as well, you can see on the first one አበበ. So maybe if you are a bit confused, say a, try to find it on the left side. Say a is number 16. B, look at the shape. B, B again. So a, B, B. አበበ ሰከነ ከደነ. So try to go through it. For more similar Amharic lesson videos, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.